Can I call it duffing? Does it sound weird? Duffing. Whatever. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back. And as promised, part 2 in this year's Thanksgiving series. Yesterday's episode was a couple easy ones to get you guys warmed up, but today we're going to dive a little deeper. So I hope you're ready. You're ready. Yeah, you're ready. So if you missed the last episode, make sure to check it out. There's a link down below. We have a busy day, so get subscribed and let's get started. Today we're gonna make some homemade duck sausage. I know I'm on a little sausage kick, but I'm having fun. And we're gonna use this to level up my childhood favorite, stovetop. These flavors are gonna blow your mind. And then I'm gonna show you how to properly make gravy. I mean, we're gonna have some leftover duck bones and scraps, so what the hell. Let's throw those in the mix too. We're gonna add those to our traditional turkey stock. We're gonna roast these bones today. This is gonna add a lot of layers of flavor. And I'm really excited, so let's start cooking. So grab a sharp little blade, grab your duck legs. We're gonna need about 6 of these things for the sausage. So using small, precise cuts, and use your bone as the guide. Take your time. I promise you get better after the first one. Next, we want to remove the skin. I'm using a pretty similar technique here to when I'm butchering fish. Again, just keep your knife sharp. It's going to make your life a lot easier. Place the skin side down on the table with your knife against the skin, and you kind of want to make like short and like lift the meat up as you go, and just like work your way across the table. So divide your bones and skin into one bowl and the meat into another. Put your meat in the fridge for later, and grab that big old turkey neck. Chop this in half or quarters if you can, but if not, don't worry. So our ingredients for the stock, 3 pounds of bones, duck and turkey. So step 1, we have to roast them bones. So crank up your oven to 450 and grab a roasting pan. Now lightly coat the ingredients in a little oil and spread them out evenly on the roasting pan. And that's it, throw them things in the oven until really dark golden brown. So our ingredients for the stock, 1 onion, 1 carrot, 1 celery, 1 leek, half a cup of peppercorns, 3 bay leaves, and 1 small bunch of thyme. I'm using a 12-quart stock pot, and this is going to make us plenty of stock. Whatever's left over today can be frozen for up to 3 months. And then enough water just to cover everything. Bring that up to a boil, then lower it to a simmer. Okay, that's it. Let it simmer for 3 hours, and then we're going to strain it out. Liquid gold. Okay, now it's time to make the sausage. So grab that duck meat out of the fridge. When you're grinding meat, you want it to be like almost frozen. It's got to be really cold throughout the process. I'm using my KitchenAid meat grinder with the smallest grinder plate. It's really nice having this thing around for projects like this, but this all can be done using a food processor as well. Okay, now that our meat is minced up, we're ready to add the rest of our ingredients. Salt, pepper, 2 grams of toasted fennel seeds, 2 grams of fresh thyme, half a cup of pistachios, the zest from 1 orange, and 2 tablespoons of port wine. Technically, you're supposed to let this sit overnight for all those flavors to come together, but what the hell, I'm breaking the rules today. So let's keep cooking. For the duck stuffing, can we call it duffing? 1 carrot, 1 onion, 1 stick of celery. All of that finely diced. 4 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna start by sweating down the veg for a few minutes. And then remove them from the pan and crank up the heat. We're gonna brown off the sausage. Flip that big patty over and break it up into nice sized chunks. Now stir back in the veg, and now the stovetop. So at this point you can basically just follow the box's instructions here, but instead of the water that they call for, about 2 cups of water I think, just replace that with our duck stock. And I don't know about you guys, but I like my stuffing with that nice crispy layer on the top. Add a couple tablespoons of butter and place it under a hot broiler till golden brown. All right, let's try out this stuffing. I've been waiting for this all day. little chunks of duck sausage in there. Don't worry, I'm gonna eat that one. Little chunks of duck sausage. You smell the fennel and that beautiful, nostalgic stovetop smell. Oh my God, dude. All right. I love the crunch. Oh my God. You're not losing all that stovetop feel, but you're getting, right off the bat, you're getting that fennel. This is crack. I'm gonna get another bite. Ooh, I just got a pistachio. Duck sausage, made easy. And just remember, we didn't even let it sit in the fridge overnight. So just think about it. All these flavors are gonna just get more intense and more deep. But this is passable. This is really good. I'm going in for another bite. We're almost done, guys, I promise. Now for the gravy. 1 shallot finely diced, 2 cloves of garlic finely diced as well, 1/4 cup of flour, and 1 stick of butter. Start by melting down the butter and sweating down your shallots and garlic. Now add in 2 tablespoons of sherry or port wine and let the alcohol cook out. Now slowly whisk in the flour. Let that cook while stirring until the roux starts to turn a nice golden brown. And finally, slowly whisk in your stock. Bring this to a boil and now season with salt and pepper. Let this thicken up. Right when we get it to the thickness we want, cut the heat and finish with 2 tablespoons of butter. This makes it shine, just like you. And that's it, guys. I'm proud of you. We covered a lot of ground today. Now sit back and enjoy your turkey day. So every year I make a family meal, Thanksgiving Eve for my staff. So I got to get that going now. But I hope you guys enjoyed these recipes today. And as always, have fun and keep cooking. Peace. Oh, happy Thanksgiving.